That cool or what? Look at that sucker. We are getting ready to go around, up and around behind the waterfall and out the other side over in that hole. That's amazing. It's way up there. This is pretty cool. We're behind the that waterfall here. Look at this place. It's like something out of a movie. Here comes Barbara. Wow, that's a lot of power. Not a place you want to go swimming. I can promise you that. But cool. Nonetheless. What do you think, Les? We'll give you a pose. It's cold back here. Hold on. Whew, windy and cold. Check that out. That is so cool. Careful, baby, this is slippery. Whoa. Challenging. Walking down here. It's pretty steep. Woo. Double step. Wow. It's like something out of, like, I don't know, some Hobbit movie or something.